Now, before we begin with the video, you guys, I want to give a big shout out to one of our sponsors for the East versus West team battle happening in September. Is Lex Brody's in Hilo. So if you guys don't know Lex Brody's, they specialize in tires. So if you ever need to go get quick service, they help you update what's going with your tires and give you tire alignments, tire change. If you need to just fix a flat, if it's fixable, they can do that for you. That's their main specialty is tires, but don't forget, you also can do automotive service from anything from changing your brake pads to checking your fluids in your car. And definitely what I would recommend you guys check for sure, especially getting close to summertime on the Big Island, is the air conditioning, because nothing sucks worse than going down the road and no air conditioning is helping you keep yourself cool. But Lex Brody's is located in multiple different locations. 2 are located in Hilo. We get 1 in Kona, Pahoa, and in Waimea. So check them out, you guys. They offer some really great service. They're quick with what they do. And yep, I would definitely recommend them for your changing of tires and alignment. But yes, thank you, Lex Brothers, for sponsoring the East versus West team battle. But enough about you guys. Let's get back on to the video.